Publishing a low content book on Amazon KDP is a great way of making extra income. I'm about to show you in this video profitable low content niches full of potentials that will be providing online publishers like you extra income up to $2K and above every single month. If you're interested in making money online through Amazon KDP, please watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing with you different low content niches that you can start publishing today to begin to earn extra income just like every other publisher every single month. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and in this channel I talk about different ways you can make money online legitimately. If you love this type of content, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification as to get notified anytime I upload a new video on how to make money online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. Now, Amazon KDP is a great platform that has provided so many people who have not written a book before a great platform for self-publishing. You can actually create a book and publish it by yourself on Amazon KDP and you'll be making money monthly. Now, the thing is that most people are stuck on the particular niche to go into. So in this video, I'll be telling you different categories of low content niches that you can actually start publishing for you to make money online. And the good thing is that you don't need to have prior experience of writing a book. Even if you have not written a book before, you can start publishing low content book and you'll be making extra money online. So I'll be showing you this using my system and my phone screen. All right, guys, welcome back. First of all, let's know what is low content book on Amazon KDP. Now, low content books on Amazon KDP are those books that require minimal or no writing. These types of books are popular on Amazon KDP website because they have potential of generating consistent income monthly. These types of books are super helpful in everyday life, whether it's staying organized, tracking goals, or planning schedules. Many people are buying these type of books to make their daily life easy, organized, and joyful. So there is high demand for these types of books, and it can never get saturated. No matter when you start publishing them, you can always find a market for yourself and increase your sales. Keep watching. I'll be telling you different categories, types of this low content book. You can choose any one and start publishing. Types of low content books: we have journals, we have planners, we have logbooks, we have notebooks, we have games books, we have guest books, we have coloring books, we have diary. There are a lot of them, but I'll be focusing on these 8 examples of journals. You can publish on self-care journals, fitness journals, daily journals, pregnancy journals, gratitude journals, then dream journals. Also have examples of planners, financial planners, travel planners. Then examples of logbooks: diet logbooks, travel logbooks, workout logbook, running, wine logbook. There are lots of them. You can just think out of the box and find the one that can give you a sales. Examples of game books: we have puzzle, word search, lots of games books you can actually publish. Also have maze books. Examples of guest book: wedding guest books, baby shower guest book, birthday guest book, vacation guest book, a lot of them. Then examples of coloring books can be kids coloring books, adult coloring books, mandala coloring books. Also have diaries. Examples of diaries: personal diaries, financial diaries, pregnancy diaries, a lot of them. Low content books can never be saturated. Now I will go over to KDP website to actually search for 1 or 2 of these low content niches to show you that people are actually buying them. There is high demand for them, and I'll base my analysis and my search on 2 factors. One is I'll be looking for 1 or 2 or more KDP books on the first page of Kindle store that has search results of 1,000 or less. Then I also consider the one that has bestseller rank of 300,000 or below. So this will tell me that there is high demand for these books. So to prove that these low content niches are actually selling, people are buying it, people are publishing it, and people are buying it, I'll be searching for one or two of these niches to show you that there is demand for it and there is competition for it. So I'll search for one or two of them. Now I'll be searching for adult coloring books. So I'll check with one or two of the books in the first page of Kindle store to analyze what I'm trying to prove. So when you search for adult coloring books, the search result here is giving up to 10,000. So if you really want to write on this, you need to niche down. You can say adult coloring books for seniors. The search results will definitely reduce. For adult coloring book is a wide topic title, so that's why you're seeing the search results so high. If you want to write on it, you have to niche it down so that your book will be seen on the first page of Kindle store, just like this. So I'll just check one or two of these books on this first page to show that there is demand. The search result has already showed that people are writing on it and people are searching for it. That is why you're seeing the search result up to 10,000. So now I will search for one of these books. So I will check the bestseller rank to also show that there is demand for it, that people are actually buying, that it is selling. It's one thing for people to search for it and another thing for them to buy. So the bestseller rank or the bestseller rank will tell me if people are actually buying it, if people are actually selling. I mean, the publishers are actually selling. So I'll be searching for the one that has bestseller rank 300,000 and below. That will show me that there is sales for this. So for this particular one that I'm searching for now, mandala coloring books, the bestseller rank is giving, see, so the bestseller rank is 124,000. So it has confirmed to me that this book is actually selling. Okay, the search results has confirmed to me that people are searching for it. Then the bestseller rank has shown me that there is demand for it, that the publishers are actually selling, and you can see that this book is independently published. So you as an ordinary publisher can actually publish it and also record sales. So I'll be searching for another one. I will search for word search book, like one of the examples I gave for games books. So I will look for word search book to show if there is a demand for this book, if people are actually searching it, and if it is selling. So from the search result is giving 7,000. The search result is actually high. If I want to write on this book, I will need to niche down to find the title that is low competitive, because this search result of 7,000 is showing me that there is competition here. People are searching for it and many people have written on it. So if I want to write on this now, I have to niche it down. Maybe say what search book for kids between the age of 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. I'll have to niche it down to a particular age group of kids so that my book will be seen and be sold. So from this search result, it has already confirmed to me there is demand for this book. So I will now search for one of them here to show if there is sales for this book. So when I search for one of them, I will look for the bestseller rank to confirm if this book is actually selling. And from what I can see here, the bestseller rank is 11,736, which has already confirmed to me that there is demand for this book. People are not just searching, but they are actually buying it. So some of these low content niches are giving some publishers consistent profits every month, and you can see that this one is independently published. So you as an ordinary publisher can create this book and publish it, and you can, from what I've said earlier, different types of low quoted niches that I've mentioned earlier, you can actually pick one of them and start writing. I'll make more videos on different, how to niche down on different titles to be able to find market for yourself, because it's one thing to publish a book, it's another thing to record sales. So if you keep searching for all of these, even diary, notebook, planner, journals, you will see that there is a demand for the book and people are searching for it. People are actually buying it, not just search. From what I just analyzed, I use search result and I use bestseller rank to confirm that there is demand for this book and it is actually selling. So that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification as to get notified anytime I post another video of how to make money online through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. Thank you and see you in my next video.